In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the header in your Shopify theme. Customizing your Shopify store's header is a great way to make your online presence unique and engaging for potential customers. Let's dive in and see how you can easily tweak the header to better suit your brand's style. First, you'll want to navigate from your Shopify homepage. Once there, you'll find various options, and one of them is the Online Store section. Go ahead and click on this option. It will take you to another menu where you have various settings related to your store's appearance and interface. In this new section, look for the Customize button. This feature is the hub for making all sorts of visual alterations to your store. By clicking Customize, you'll enter a mode that lets you see your theme with editable sections displayed. It's an exciting place to be as it gives you the creative freedom to shape and adjust your store's appearance on the fly. Now, among the customizable components, you're going to locate the announcement bar. The announcement bar acts as a prime spot to share important information with visitors, such as promotions or new products. Click on it, and this action will reveal options for you to modify things like the text that appears there, as well as the background color. Adjust these settings to reflect any crucial communications you want visitors to notice immediately. Moving on, you'll want to adjust the header itself. Click on the header section to reveal more options. Here, you will find settings that let you modify the logo. You can change the logo size and even the background color if you feel a different shade would better fit the tone of your brand. Adjusting these elements ensures your logo stands out and sets the right visual tone for your visitors as they navigate your store. Once you're satisfied with all your changes and customizations, it's time to make them official. Be sure to click the Save button. This crucial step ensures that all the modifications you've made are applied to your live store. It's easy to forget, but remember, saving your changes is the final touch in this process. And there you have it. You've just learned how to make meaningful edits to your header in a Shopify theme. Customizing your store isn't just about cosmetic improvements. It's about personalizing the shopping experience and reflecting your brand's identity. So, go ahead and experiment with these settings to bring your store to life. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!